how much percentage interest you have got. Clear? Okay, let us come to the problem number 1. Come to the problem number 1, page number 2.26. All of you open the switch on the video. All of you, please switch on the video. Same thing I am continuously telling you each and every time. Whenever I come to the class, I tell you that you open your switch on your video, but hardly does anybody do this. पता तो चले कर क्या रहे हो आप?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
कौन? विपुल, बोलो.
Yes, sir. Sir, currently I am not having the book, sir. It's out of stock.
Sir, same.
Sir,
I
same.
don't have.
Even I don't.
सर एक और चीज है सर एक्चुअली
कैसे करोगे? How will you solve the problem and how will you give us the assignments? And if at all I ask you to do a problem, I have to dictate the problem fast, then it will take time. Are you getting my point? So then
सर एक और चीज है.
Yes, sir.
सर एक्चुअली हम वो जो बुक मतलब रेकमेंडेड था लाइब्रेरी से, सर वो अमेज़न के स्टोर में अगर नहीं मिल रहा था तो हम लोग उसका एक मतलब कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग बुक ले लिया सर अच्छे ऑथर का.
No, that is the textbook. I have prescribed that as a textbook for you. So what corresponding book you have taken?
Sir, Financial Management by Chandra, P. Chandra, MC Groenhill.
McGraw-Hill. Prasanna Chandra, I have not prescribed thinking that the standard of the book will be better it will be a bit harder for you. But if you can consume that, if you can digest that, then it's a great thing for you.
Sir, मिल नहीं रहा था इसीलिए वो वाला बुक मिल नहीं रहा था.
I understand that book is not available. Suppose Abra, what's your name?
Abranil, sir.
Abranil, let me tell you. Suppose if I give the assignment, those who are present at the end of the chapter. So if I ask you, which chapter will you give me then?
Yes, sir. That is a problem, sir. Because page number.
Everybody will go for a different book. Then मेरा क्या होगा रे?
Sorry, sir. क्या कर सकते हैं, sir?
That book is available on Flipkart.
Okay, wherever it is available, you need to wait for some more time, because you see, you have been given this course outline, I think much before the course started, at least 15 days before. So immediately you should have requested for that book from the publisher or from somewhere else. So now it will be a huge problem for everybody. Okay, anyway, we cannot waste time for talking all these things which is not in our hand. Go to the problem number 1. I ask you to write those who do not have the book. Those who have the book, they can refer the book for the problem. Pavani, got the book?
No, sir.
Very good. Very good. ठीक है. क्या प्राची मुस्कुरा रही हो? बुक मिल गया?
No, sir.
No, इसलिए मुस्कुरा रही हो? Okay. X Limited, those who do not have the book, for those who do not have the book, X Limited offers a fixed deposit scheme whereby rupees 20,000 matures to rupees 25,088 after 2 years. Rupees 20,000 becomes how much?
Sir, please repeat the question.
यही तो problem है. अच्छा ठीक है. 20,000 matures to 25,088. 2.26 page number 2.26 page number 2.26 practical questions, problem number 1. Those who have the books, those who do not have, I am giving you this problem. 25,000 matches to 25,088 after 2 years on yearly compounding basis. Got it, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see so many. Isdeep. Isdeep. Manav.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ हो तुम? Where is your video? Switch on your video. एक बार बोल रहा हूँ स्विच ऑन करने के लिए आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या?
सर स्विच ऑन हो नहीं रहा है.
स्विच ऑन हो नहीं रहा है.
यस सर, कोई एरर हो रहा है. और आपने वो लॉक किया हुआ है, इसलिए वो एग्जिट करके वापस भी नहीं आ सकता.
Others, why you have not switched on your video?
My video is switched on.
कहाँ है? So many people have not switched it on. So many.
So my video is switched on.
So 25,000 becomes 20,000 becomes 25,088 after 2 years of yearly compounding. What will be the revised maturity value? What will be the revised maturity value? If the company wishes to amend the scheme, by compounding interest, if the company wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest on half yearly basis, first one is half yearly basis, second one is quarterly basis, third one is monthly basis. Manav, do you have the book with you?
No, sir.
Then you are writing, you are not writing. You are not writing the question.
No, sir.
No, why? You have a problem with your hand.
No, sir.
Then you don't have the pen, you don't have the copy with you, you don't have the calculator.
Actually, I'm in the other room right now. My books are in my room. Yes.
Before coming to the class, should you not have the book, copy and pen, everything, calculator, everything with you, Manav?
I'll bring it, sir. Just a minute.
What you are doing, this is absolutely carelessness. You have come here to study or to do what? To dance or to show your face to me, so that I'll be privileged in looking at your face or seeing your face. Okay, what will be, do it. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Anybody who can. 25,000 becomes 25,088 after 2 years on yearly compounding basis. What will be the revised maturity value if the company wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest? First bit is half yearly basis. Half yearly. Second is quarterly. Third is monthly. क्या होगा?
सर 20,000 2,500 जो 88 हो रहा है, 25,000 88 हो रहा है, वो 2 साल में हो रहा है या 1 साल में हो रहा है?
2 साल मैंने बोला.
अच्छा सर, मिस कर गया, सॉरी.
2 years on yearly compounding basis. Hello. इंटरेस्ट रेट कितना होगा? 20,000, 25,000, 88 हो रहा है. 20,000 becomes 25,088. Then what is the interest rate? Hello.
सर 12% है क्या?
हाँ,
12% है क्या?
very good. 12%. 12%. Very good. All of you got the right answer. How did you get it? Present value कितना है?
25,088.
2588.
Present value कितना है ना?
20,000. 20,000.
Patmas also. Patmas. 20,000 is my present value. Then present value into
1 plus I to the power n.
1 plus 1 by 180.
or I. 1 plus I raised to the power
2.
2 is equal to
25,088.
25,088. This is which value?
Future value.
Future value. Would you able to see the board, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
8 divided by 20,000. तो इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 1 plus I raised to the power 2. 1 plus I raised to the power 2 is equal to this much. Then 1 plus I is equal to what? Divided by 20,000 raised to the power. Hello.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. तो उसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 25,088 divided by 20,000 raised to the power 1 by 2 कितना आएगा? Hello.
1.12.
1 plus I is equal to 1.12. So I is equal to 0.12 or 12%. Correct? All of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Afreen Sultana. Afreen.
Sir, her bandwidth is low, so she can't unmute.
Another is there. Afsana something or some. Who is she?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where are you?
Sir, I can't switch on my camera.
You cannot switch on your camera.
Sir, can the board is not visible, so can you?
Okay.
Yeah.
So now अभी आ गया मेरा 12% is the compounding yearly compounding interest rate आ गया. Correct? Now we will go to the second part. Second part में क्या लिखा है? What will be the revised maturity value if the company wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest rate on half yearly basis? Now your APR becomes 12%. Then from APR it will be converted into ERI, effective rate of interest, because your frequency of compounding has become how many times?
2.
2 times.
It is getting half yearly compounded. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen then? 20,000 into 1.12 1 plus 12% divided by कितना लिखो?
2.
2.
Very good. 2. But raised to the power कितना होगा?
4.
4.
Raised to the power 4. This 2 is for what? This is half yearly compounded. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This 2 is for what? 2
2 years.
2 years.
Very good. This is m into n. Correct? m into n. तो उसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा? कोई बताएगा?
25,249.53 पैसा.
Very good. So it's 25,000
249.
250 में कर देता हूँ. कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं सर.
अप्रोक्सीमेशन आप ले जाओ. उसी तरह ठीक से उसी तरह मुझे बताओ. All of you could understand what I did.
Yes, sir.
प्राची.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
All of you others. Mrinal Das, Santoshi, roll number 35, Aman Vaibhav.
सर
व्हाट्सएप में क्या मैसेज आया?
नहीं सर, व्हाट्सएप नहीं सर, बुक देख रहा हूँ, गलत बुक खरीद लिया मैं।
तुम भी गलत बुक खरीदे?
हाँ जी सर,
ऐसे गलती करोगे तो कैसे होगा?
सॉरी सर।
गलत बुक खरीदो चल, वो तो somehow can be managed. गलत पार्टनर चूज करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाओगे अमन। बी केयरफुल, ठीक है? समझ में आया जो मैं जो बोल रहा हूं तो?
हाँ जी सर, समझ में आया।
अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे बोलो अभी क्वार्टरली कंपाउंडिंग में क्या कितना आएगा आंसर? क्या
25,245.
तो क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे?
by 4
वेरी गुड, बाय 4। ऊपर में क्या लिखूं?
to the power 8.
2 into 4.
2 into
4 into 2.
4 into 2 होगा ना? ठीक है कि नहीं? हेलो हेलो।
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
एक साल के लिए 4 टाइम्स, 2 साल के लिए कितना होगा? 2 into 4 4 into 2 हो जाएगा, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
तो वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? आंसर कितना आ रहा है? हेलो
25,336.
25,336. Those who have got the books, have you got the same answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Pratik?
Yes sir.
Got the answer?
Yes sir.
अच्छा प्रतीक, मुझे बोलो थर्ड का क्या होगा? मंथली कंपाउंडिंग का वैल्यू कितना होगा? तुम मुझे बताओ, क्या करूं यहाँ पे? प्रतीक
बोलिए सर।
बोलो मंथली कंपाउंडिंग में मैं यहाँ क्या लिखूं? बोलो इस इक्वेशन को कैसे मैं चेंज करूं? हाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू इन दिस इक्वेशन?
सर 4 को हटा के
ओके
सर मंथली करना मीन्स 12।
वेरी गुड, 12। इसको क्या करें?
उधर फिर सिर्फ उधर भी 4 को हटा के 12 into 2।
वेरी गुड, 12 into 2। वाह क्या बात है। बताओ मुझे आंसर कितना आएगा?
सर बुक में 25,394 लिखा है।
अरे तुम्हारा आंसर कितना आया? बुक में आंसर कितना तुम देख रहे हो? क्यों तुम्हारा? तुम
सर कैलकुलेट करने दे।
करो। सबका हुआ?
25,394.
आया सबका उतना वैल्यू? ईसा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ईसा रोल नंबर 42 गॉट द आंसर?
Yes, sir. Trying.
अच्छा रोल नंबर 30 व्हाट्स योर नेम?
So my name is Atul.
Atul, do you get the answers of all these 3?
So I'm still calculating.
अरे इतना टाइम स्टील करोगे तो पूरा स्टील हो जाओगे तुम। आकाश? Please take care of all these now. Hello. This is absolutely chaotic. हो गया सबका? हो गया? Shall we go to the next one? Afrin got the answer? Hello. Dibyesh?
Yes sir.
Okay. Arun?
Yes sir.
Pratham?
Yes, sir, I don't have the book.
अरे बुक को छोड़ो, अभी आंसर तुमको कितना आया आंसर?
Sir, 23,394 ना ऐसा कुछ।
ऐसा कुछ मैंने तुमने अभी तक कैलकुलेट भी नहीं किया है।
मैं कर रहा हूँ सर स्लो हूँ थोड़ा सर।
ऐसे करोगे तो कैसे होगा? करो जल्दी करो, कितना होगा मुझे बताओ प्रथम, तुम्हारा आंसर कितना है बताओ। तुमने इक्वेशन को कैसे लिखा बोलो तो, थर्ड के लिए इक्वेशन कैसे लिखा प्रथम? हाँ प्रथम बोलो, इक्वेशन तुमने कैसे लिखा?
हाँ सर बोल रहा हूँ सर, एक सेकेंड।
तुमने कुछ किया नहीं, यू हैव नॉट डन।
सर कर रहा हूँ सर, आपको फोटो कैसे दिखाऊं सर, एक सेकेंड
फोटो कैसे, मुझे बोलो ना तुमने क्या किया, इसीलिए तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा व्हाट यू हैव डन।
सर 25,188 इज इक्वल्स टू 20,000 इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर।
क्या 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर? क्या तुम कर क्या रहे हो, क्या तुम निकाल रहे हो अभी?
सर 20,000 इंटू 1.12 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 टू दी पावर 24।
To the power 24. This is for what third bit?
आंसर आया 25,394।
25,394।
यस सर।
अच्छा सेकंड का इक्वेशन तुमने कैसे लिखे बोलो? सेकंड का क्वार्टरली के लिए व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशन बोलो? वेरी गुड।
सर क्वार्टरली का सर 4 हो जाएगा बस 12 के जगह।
बोलो ना इक्वेशन को, बोल तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा।
सर 20,000
वेरी गुड
सर इंटू 1.04।
1.04
सर फिर
अच्छा 1.04
यस सर।
04 कैसे आएगा?
सर 4 महीना ना 4 हो जाएगा क्वार्टर, तो
4 महीने का 4 हो जाएगा क्वार्टर।
तो सर 1.12 by 4 टू दी पावर 8।
हाँ 1.12 by 4 raised to the power 8। Why 8?
सर 4 into 2।
Why 4 into 2?
सर क्योंकि क्वार्टर है 4।
हाँ
और
क्वार्टर हुआ, उसके बाद
सर फॉर्मूला में होल स्क्वायर है तो इंटू 2 करना ही पड़ेगा।
फॉर्मूला में होल स्क्वायर है इसीलिए 2 करना पड़ेगा। तुम यहाँ तक ऐसे समझ रहे थे चीज?
थोड़ा बहुत नहीं समझ पाए सर। सर कर लूंगा सर, बुक खरीद के खुद कर लूंगा सर।
इसका आंसर ये नहीं प्रथम, this is not the answer you should give to a faculty like I'll do that once I get the book.
Sorry sir.
So many pratham, so many people do not have the book, those who are sitting here also.
सर मैं लास्ट 2 क्लास अटेंड भी नहीं कर पाया था सर ठीक से।
You should have asked your friends what are the things have been covered inside the class. तो आप ऐसे करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा यार, कैसे चलेगा?
सॉरी सर।
चलो let us go to the next one. Let us go to the next one. Go to the problem number 12. Those who have the books, those do not have, let me dictate the question for them. A bank granted a loan of 12,69,600, 12,69,600. A bank granted a loan of rupees 12,069, 12,69,600. 12,69,600 repayable in 4 equated annual installments. Repayable in 4 equated annual installments, beginning with the date of sanction of the loan. Beginning with the date of the sanction of the loan. Determine the amount of installment. Determine the amount of installment if the effective rate of interest is 18% per annum. Determine the amount of installments if the effective rate of interest is 8% per annum. कोई कर सकता है? हेलो, कितना लोन सैंक्शन हुआ?
Sir, 12,69,600.
Very good. It will be repaid in how many installments?
4.
4. Very good. What is the rate of interest?
18%.
18% rate of interest. So which formula shall we apply here?
Present value.
Present value of
Annuity.
very good. Present value of an annuity. But look at the question bit carefully. What the question is saying? Annual installments. क्या मैंने बोला? 4 equated annual installments. उसके बाद क्या है?
Starting from the day the loan was given.
Starting from the day the loan was sanctioned. If that is the case, then which kind of annuity it will be?
Annuity due.
Very good. Annuity due. Now can you do the question? Can you solve it and can you tell me? Hello? Take your time and solve it and give it to me. हेलो, कोई बता सकता है आंसर क्या होगा?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
हाँ
वो इफेक्टिव इंटरेस्ट रेट 18% है ना?
हाँ,
तो हर इंस्टॉलमेंट में क्या 4,71,961 हो रहा है क्या?
4,71,000
961 हर इंस्टॉलमेंट में।
हाउ डिड यू गेट इट?
वो सर फॉर्मूला बिठाया है ना 12,69,600, उसके बाद आपका एन्युटी का फॉर्मूला बिठाया।
हाँ तो क्या किए तुमने? बोलो।
a by I whole into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus I to the power n।
वेरी गुड। अच्छा, ये हो गया प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इंटरेस्ट फैक्टर एन्युटी का फॉर्मूला।
हाँ हाँ,
तुमने मल्टीप्लाई किया किससे? सॉरी, उसको क्या किया तुमने? a into this particular factor is equal to how much your loan?
सर लोन तो 12,69,600 का है।
600 का है। So that means how much this factor is equal to what? What did you write? Can you tell me the equation what you wrote? Tell me what is the equation you have wrote? Tell me. Yes.
1 2
Yes.
69,600
yes.
equals to
Very good.
a by I whole into 1 minus 1 by 1।
a by I बोल रहा हूं ना, इसको बोलो ना, कितना परसेंटेज बोलो।
क्या सर आई का वैल्यू बोलना है?
अरे आई का वैल्यू कहां से तुमको लेना है?
नहीं सर, हम बोल रहे हैं 1 by 1 plus I लिखिए आप। 1 plus I।
1 plus I के क्यों लिखो? a by I ना।
हाँ सर, वही बोल रहे हैं, मतलब 1 plus I minus n होता है ना, वो वैल्यू बोल रहे हैं हम।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितना दो?
1.18 लिखिए।
1.18 raised to the power
4।
yes. Then यहाँ पे क्या लिखे? a by
I
I is how much?
0.18।
0.18। तो इसको पहले सॉल्व करो। ये क्या है?
ये फैक्टर होगा सर आपका।
ये फैक्टर होगा। ये हो गया तुम्हारा प्रेजेंट वैल्यू एन्युटी का। करेक्ट? हु इज सेइंग दिस? अभिनव
सर ऑब्रोनिल सर हियर। सर सॉरी सर।
ओके, अब्रोनिल।
मैं वीडियो ऑफ रखा हूँ सर, वो स्लो हो जाता है।
अच्छा सुनो सुनो सुनो, अभी सुनो। ये तुमने प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इंटरेस्ट फैक्टर एन्युटी का फॉर्मूला डाला ना? हेलो?
हाँ सर।
यस, बट व्हाट द
हाँ
क्वेश्चन
सर,
is
हाँ
saying?
सर।
What the question is saying? The installment will be made at? Hello?
So at the beginning.
At the beginning of the year. When it is happening at the beginning of the year, what is, which kind of annuity it is?
सर दैट इज एन्युटी सर्टेन हो जाता है फिर।
Annuity?
सर्टेन होता है ना बिगिनिंग में।
Beginning में certain क्या है? Annuity what? अरे अभी बोले थे ना, annuity due बोले थे ना? नहीं, और deferred annuity. Annuity due ना? नहीं, beginning में होता है।
हाँ सर।
तो for annuity due, what will be the formula then?
सर 1+i लगता है।
1+i मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, सॉरी, देन 1.180 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होता है। अभी देखो आंसर क्या आ रहा है।
हाँ हाँ सर, हाँ ठीक है सर, वो मैं सुना नहीं था क्वेश्चन में।
ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट और नॉट? हेलो?
So
हाँ,
if it was not annuity due, then what would have happened?
what would have happened? Abranil, you tell me, who is saying this?
So Isha.
Isa, tell me, had it not been annuity due, what would have been happened? What the question would have been? What the question would have been?
Maybe at the end of every installment.
Not maybe, it is at the end of the every time period, not installment. The installment will be paid at the end of the time period. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if that is the question, then in the answer what will happen? Will this 1.8 be again multiplied?
No, sir.
No. I told you the logic while starting with the time value of money. All of you got this or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me if somebody has not understood. Okay, Kriti? Understood?
हाँ सर, अभी तो 3,99,967 जैसा आ रहा है।
Yes, very good, very good. Answer is perfectly correct, and you match with the answer in the book. Those who have the book, how much it is coming? It is coming more or less 4 lakh of rupees, which is the approximate value.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Debyesh, understood it?
Sir.
अच्छा, क्वेश्चन 11 को करो। क्वेश्चन 11, बैंक ग्रांटेड ए लोन ऑफ 10,76,000. 10,76,000. Question 11. A bank granted a loan of 10,76,000 repayable in 4 equated annual installments beginning with the end of the first year. Beginning with the end of the first year. A bank granted a loan of 10,76,000 repayable in 4 equated annual installments beginning with the end of the first year. Determine the amount of installments if the effective rate of interest is 18% per annum. Determine the amount of installment if the effective interest rate is 18% per annum. Bank granted a loan of 10,76,000 repayable in 4 equated annual installments beginning with the end of the first year. Determine the amount of installment if the effective rate of interest is 18% per annum. कितना होगा आंसर?
सर 4,71,961 होगा, पहले वाला जो आंसर में बोला था।
4 लाख
Oh no no sorry sir, एक मिनट करता हूँ.
इतना जल्दी मत बोलो, धीरे से करो, उसको आराम से करो. Akash, any answer from you?
No, sir.
No. Previous one you understood?
Sir. No, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I'm in that previous one only.
No, previous one,
Sir.
did you not understand?
No, sir.
No, but you are not asking also, I didn't understand. You are not mindful.
Actually, I'm trying, sir, but I can't.
What is the answer for this question? Can anybody hand me over the answer? Hello.
Sir, approximately 4 लाख होगा.
Approximately 4 लाख होगा. तो अभी यहाँ पे ये जो लिखा गया है ना मेरा फॉर्मूला यहीं पे बोर्ड पे, इसको क्या मैं चेंज करूं, खाली मुझे बोल दो.
Sir, remove that multiplication of 1.18.
I'll take it down. I'll take it out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Because why you will take it out? Because.
So because it's not deferred annuity.
What kind of annuity it is?
Odd.
Ordinary annuity.
Ordinal annuity.
आप थोड़ा पिछला चीज देखो ना यार. Whatever we have covered, at least you should.
Sir, present.
तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखूँ लेफ्ट साइड में?
सर प्रेजेंट वैल्यू का फिगर चेंज कीजिए, 10,76,000 होगा.
76,000. करेक्ट. उसको सॉल्व करो, उसको सॉल्व करने से आपको मिल जाएगा जितना. आकाश.
Yes, sir.
अभी समझ में आया जो लिखा मैंने?
हाँ, sir.
Otherwise, if I write in the form of present value, what will happen? 10,76,000 is equal to क्या लिखूं अभी? A into hello. A into क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? A into
The PVIF.
A. I कितना है?
I 18%.
18%.
Number of year?
4.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
ये हो गया बात, ठीक है ना? नहीं तो इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा? PVIA. इसका वैल्यू कितना है? कहां से मिलेगा हमको? कहां से मिलेगा? टेबल से. Which table will you look at? टेबल नंबर 4. बट टेबल नंबर 4 में हमारा 20% तक 16% है. 16% से बाद का 18% नहीं दिया गया. So you need to look at a table where this 18% will be available. Otherwise, if that is the case, then you have to solve it through which one? You have to solve it through. Hello.
Yes, it's a formula.
Formula. Very good. You have to solve it through formula. ठीक है? ये सबका हो गया अभी. ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हुआ?
Yes, sir.
सर उसका फैक्टर 2.69 होगा.
किसका?
वो PBIFA का 2.69 होगा.
2.69. Okay. 2.69. 2.69 16 हो गया ना. 2.16 20. Okay, almost 2.69. Correct. That you can find out with the help of another table or by putting the formula. ठीक है? हो गया सबका? ये दोनों करेक्ट हुआ सबका? हेलो, all of you did it or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please, those who do not have if you do not understand it, please tell me. I'll also make you understand once more. No problem. ठीक है, चलो देन नेक्स्ट को चलते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को चलते हैं। हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को देखो। Those who have book, see the question number 10. Question number 10. The question number 10 is what? A bank granted a loan. A bank granted a loan. I am dictating the question. Those who do not have the book. A bank granted a loan of rupees 2 lakh. Sorry. A bank granted a loan. A bank granted a loan repayable in 4 equal annual installments. Repayable in 4 equal annual installment of rupees 2 lakh each. Rupees 2 lakh each. Beginning with the end of the first year. Beginning with the end of the first year. Beginning with the end of the first year. Calculate the amount of loan. Calculate the amount of loan granted. Calculate the amount of loan granted if effective rate of interest is 12% per annum. If effective rate of interest is 12% per annum. पवन, ये आंसर मुझे तुम बताओ करके। हाँ,
Yes, sir, I'll try, sir.
जल्दी करो, मुझे बताओ। अतुल, यू ऑल्सो ट्राई करके मुझे बताओ कितना आंसर आएगा। क्या भवानी हो गया?
Yes, I'm doing, sir.
Mansita, done?
Yes, sir.
How much?
6 lakhs 7,400.
Oh, great. तो क्या किया तुमने? बोलो मनसीता।
सर मैंने वो वैल्यू डाल के कर दिया। टेबल 4 से वैल्यू आई टुक for 4 years and 12% pay. So the value is 3.037.
Okay.
And then I multiplied it with the amount that we took loan, that is 2 lakhs. So the answer came as
Loan is 2 lakh.
yeah. Oh, sorry, the installment is 2 lakh, yeah. And then I multiplied it, so the value came.
So suppose in the equation, if you write in the equation format, what will be the equation here? The same equation which I have put? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
That means now what will be changing? What will be changing here then? What will be changing in the equation?
Sir, the A will be 2 lakhs.
Very good. This is the unknown value in your question. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the annual installment for 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I'll just multiply this present value interest factor annuity.
Yes, sir.
This present value interest factor annuity at the rate of how much percentage?
12%.
12%. 12%, 4 years. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now this value is coming how much?
3.037. 7.
3.037. 3.037.
Yes,
So
sir.
3.037 multiplied by 2 lakh will give me how much value here?
6,07,400.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha Mansita, had the question been given like the loan installment would have been paid at the beginning of the year,
Yes, sir.
then what this equation would have been?
So beginning of the year.
Either the equation, you just look at the equation, you can tell if the loan installment would have been paid at the beginning of the year, how this equation would have changed too.
Sir, I don't know. I'm getting confused, sir.
अरे बाबा अभी ये जो लोन इंस्टॉलमेंट दे रहा है ना, what the question is saying, the installment is being paid at the beginning of the first year.
Beginning first, yeah, beginning with the end of the first year.
Beginning of the
End of the first year.
end of the first year. Suppose the installment is paid in the beginning of the year itself. It is starting from the beginning of the year itself. Then how the equation will be written? What should I write? If it is beginning of the year, then what kind of annuity it is?
At the beginning of the year, then annuity due.
Annuity due. Then if it is an annuity due, what the equation would be then?
Then
Abhi kiye the, or right now you're forgetting. Who can say? Pavani, what will happen?
So 1 plus I to the power n.
1 plus I to the power n. ऐसे मत बोलो. Be sportive and tell. At least you should read whatever being told, whatever being taught. You should read it perfectly and read it clearly. आप ऐसे बोलोगे नहीं होगा. That gives me a very wrong message. ईसा क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? What should I write, ईसा?
Sir, in the equation.
हाँ, in the equation.
Sir, PVI, FAI.
हाँ.
That's it.
That's it.
Sir,
we'll divide
FA 12 in 3 years.
What will be written
Sir,
here? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, multiply 1 plus I.
Multiply 1 plus I. क्या लोग आप लोग भी क्या कर रहे हो यार? Simply this much. Just before this problem, we just solved one of that kind of problem. Still, you are stumbling. That means you are not attentive. When it is an annuity, Isa, what you are doing, Isa? Are you not attentive? You are not studying anything, all of you. Not studying anything. Revise the previous work, whatever we have done, before coming to the class. Time and again, I am telling you the same thing, and same thing. What you are doing? Exercise your mind a bit. So what should I write here only? Only you have to multiply it 1 plus I. How many times shall I tell you? When it is an annuity due, look at the question, what the question is telling you. Whether it is at the beginning of the period, end of the period. If it is the beginning of the period, this is an annuity due. When it becomes an annuity due, simply you multiply by 1 plus I. Because you are getting 1 year interest more. If it is if the time period is, or if the payment is done at the end of the period, this is an ordinary annuity. Ordinary annuity means it is as the equation you are writing, that much only you will write. You will not multiply this with 1 plus I. How many times shall I tell the same thing? You are committing the same mistake. You are not able to tell. You are saying that I am confused. Why? So question 5 and 6. Question 5 solve karo. Those who have the books, solve karo question 5. Okay, question 5. बोलता हूं, क्वेश्चन 5 को बोलता हूं. A person deposits 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh, 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh in his deposit account. At the beginning of the first year. Second year, third year, and fourth year respectively. At the beginning of the first year, second year, third year, fourth year respectively. Determine his account balance at the end of the fourth year. Determine his account balance at the end of the fourth year. If the interest rate is 12% per annum. Pavani, can you tell me the timeline here? How shall I draw the timeline? Tell me. Have you written the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Tell me, how should I draw the timeline here?
So in first year, it should be 2 lakhs in the beginning.
So what shall I write on this line? Tell me, where shall I start? From where shall I
So
start?
from the point of first.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is which time period?
First year.
First
Beginning.
Beginning. That means I'll write here 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much you are depositing here?
2 lakhs.
2 lakh. Okay. And then next, follow.
So after leaving some place, second year.
Second year.
No, sir. No, sir. First year. Here it will be first year.
This is first year. First year what? First year over or first year start?
Ending.
Ending. Okay. This is first year. This is again second year. This is third year. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is which year beginning?
Third year.
This is third year beginning.
Yes, sir.
Year beginning.
So can you repeat? It's not audible.
Which year beginning? Here, look at the board. Which year beginning?
So it's first year beginning.
Yes. Which year beginning?
Second year beginning.
Which year beginning?
Third year beginning. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
This is which year beginning?
Fourth year beginning.
That means which year ending?
Third year ending.
Third year ending. Correctly understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 2 lakh, 4 lakh, there is 6 lakh
and 8 lakhs.
So that means the question is asking you how much the entire deposit will be at the end of the which year?
Fourth year.
Fourth year. Then tell me, what will be the total value in this contract? Tell me. All of you tell me. Tell me, what will be the value? क्या होगा वैल्यू बोलो प्रतीक अमान
कर रहा हूँ 1 मिनट
बी फास्टर 48 रोल नंबर Isiddeep hello taking too much of time, guys. You're taking too much of time. Hello? Can anybody tell me the answer, please?
सर 2 लाख में 4 साल का इंटरेस्ट एक्रूड होगा ना?
Absolutely. क्यों? Why?
सर एट द एंड ऑफ द 4th ईयर बोला है ना?
Okay. हाँ. So
That is the and the
2
interpretation.
lakh. Remember this 2 lakh
हाँ.
interest for how many years? First year, second year, third year,
3rd year, 4th year.
fourth year.
हाँ.
4 lakh will accrue interest, or it will earn interest for how many years?
4 years.
Right. 4 lakh. 4 lakh.
3
ओ
years.
4 लाख का 3 साल होगा.
3 years.
2, 3. 6 lakh will earn interest for how many years?
2 years.
2 years. 8 lakh is 1 year. Are these annuity?
No, sir.
No. Why?
Because
No, these are lump sum.
Because these are lump sum. So what formula shall we apply here? PV into 1 plus I raised to the power n. Yes? So what will be the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Total answer? What will be the total answer?
सर अलग अलग बोल दे, प्लस कर देंगे फिर.
प्लस करके बोलो ना, अलग अलग क्यों बोलोगे? प्लस करके मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ हाँ 4 साल के बाद टोटल कितना होगा?
रुकिए सर, रुकिए 1 मिनट.
तो 1 लाख का वैल्यू कितना होगा 1 साल के बाद?
सर 21 lakhs.
हाँ 21 लाख कहाँ से?
कितना? 8 lakhs का?
नहीं 1 लाख का वैल्यू कितना होगा?
हेलो,
इंटरेस्ट रेट कितना है तुम्हारा?
12%.
12%. तो टोटल कितना होगा बोलो, वैल्यू कितना होगा?
सर 8,96,000.
नहीं टोटल वैल्यू मुझे बताओ. 1 लाख छोड़ दो, टोटल वैल्यू मुझे बताओ.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलो.
सर 8 lakhs का इंटरेस्ट चाहिए ना आपको?
अरे बाबा मैं बोल रहा हूँ टोटल वैल्यू एट द एंड ऑफ द 4th ईयर कितना होगा मुझे बताओ यार. टोटल वैल्यू एट द एंड ऑफ द 4th ईयर.
हाँ सर, 21,48,000.
21 लाख.
21,48,994.
8 लाख into
सर सबका बोला, सबका.
सबका नहीं 8 लाख into 1.1 कितना होगा बोलो?
सर 8,96,000. मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था नेटवर्क के.
1,96,000. ओके. देन 6 लाख का कितना होगा?
6,75,264.
6,75,254. 4 लाख का कितना होगा? 12% के हिसाब से 3 साल के लिए
5,61,960.
5,61,960. 2 लाख का 12% से 12% के हिसाब से 4 साल के लिए कितना होगा?
3,14,700.
3,14,700. सबको मिलाओ कितना आ रहा है?
Sir, 24,47,924.
तुम ठीक से हिसाब किताब करके मुझे बोल रहे हो ना? 1.12 शायद 1.1 6 लाख into 1.1 ठीक ठाक हिसाब किताब कर रहे हो सब? सबका हिसाब किताब ठीक ठाक हो रहा है? टोटल अमाउंट कितना आ रहा है? हेलो
सर 25,25,000 आएगा 314.
यस 25,25,000 आएगा. दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके
यस सर, आगे सर.
आ गया ना?
यस सर, आगे.
सबका आया इतना? Yes, all these values, whatever you people have said, I have written here. All these values are correct. Hello.
Sir, that's 6 lakh wala. So 6 lakh, sir, that will be 7,52,640.
Yes, 7,52,640 होगा.
6 lakh into 1.12 raised to the power कितना था रे? raised to the power 2 ना?
हाँ.
7,52,640.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
बोला भूल मुझे बोला 640. Yes. अभी हिसाब करो कितना आ रहा है? 25 आ रहा है?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes sir.
Now इसी क्वेश्चन को आप ये बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर हुआ था, करेक्ट? Deposit was happening at the beginning of the year. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now just I'm reversing the question, same, same amount, same interest rate, same number of years, but the deposit will happen at the end of the year. Next class you will tell me what will be the answer. At the end of the year the deposit will happen. Then what will be the answer? Next class you will tell me. Correct?
Yes sir.
So next class we will go to a new chapter known as risk and return. I'll give you some material today. Please go through that before coming to the class. Because those materials, those who are getting any other books, they may get the material of risk and return, but in this book you will not get. I have told you to supply the material as well as any handouts. You read that and come to the class. And in roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.